Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 27th, 2024, and we're diving into Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals' 2024 fiscal year-end results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals has been making significant strides, especially with their proprietary TRiMTM technology and recent strategic partnerships. I'm excited to discuss their latest financial performance and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals reported a revenue of $3.55 million for the fiscal year 2024, which is a significant drop from the previous year. John, what are your thoughts on this?
Indeed, the revenue decline is stark, especially compared to $240.735 million last year. This drop is primarily due to the timing of revenue recognition from partnerships and collaborations. However, the company has been heavily investing in R&D, which is reflected in their operating loss of $601.08 million and a net loss of $599.49 million.
And the net loss per share stands at $5, which is quite substantial.
Yes, it is. The increased R&D expenses, which rose to $505.87 million, are a major factor. Arrowhead is focusing on long-term growth through its pipeline, which is promising but costly in the short term.
Strategic partnerships and financial position. Arrowhead has made some strategic moves to strengthen its financial position. Can you elaborate on their recent partnerships and financial agreements?
Absolutely. Arrowhead signed a significant licensing and collaboration agreement with Sarepta Therapeutics, which brings in $825 million. This includes $500 million in cash and a $325 million equity investment at a 35% premium. Additionally, they secured a $500 million credit facility with 6th Street, which provides long-term, non-dilutive capital.
How does this impact their cash position?
These agreements have bolstered Arrowhead's cash resources to $680.96 million, extending their cash runway into 2028. This financial stability is crucial as they advance their drug pipeline and prepare for potential product launches.
Research and development highlights. Arrowhead's R&D efforts are quite noteworthy. What are some of the key developments in this area?
Arrowhead has submitted a new drug application for plozasiran, targeting familial chylomicronemia syndrome, which has no FDA-approved treatments. This drug has received breakthrough therapy designation, highlighting its potential impact. They've also initiated pivotal Phase 3 studies, SHASTA-3 and SHASTA-4, for severe hypertriglyceridemia.
And their manufacturing capabilities.
Their Verona WI facility has achieved GMP compliance, which is a significant milestone. This allows them to produce drug substances for clinical trials in the U.S. and abroad, supporting their expanding pipeline.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of minus 63 cents, but the actual EPS came in at $5. How has the market reacted to this?
The market reaction has been negative, as the actual EPS significantly missed expectations. This discrepancy is largely due to the high R&D expenses and strategic investments that Arrowhead is making for future growth. While the short-term financials are concerning, the long-term potential remains strong.
Do you think this will affect investor confidence?
In the short term, yes. However, investors who are focused on the long-term potential of Arrowhead's pipeline and strategic partnerships may see this as a necessary phase for future success.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals has had a challenging year financially, with a significant net loss and lower than expected EPS. However, their strategic partnerships and robust R&D pipeline offer promising long-term prospects. John, any final thoughts?
Arrowhead is in a transformative phase. While the financials are currently under pressure, their strategic moves and pipeline developments could lead to substantial future growth. Investors should weigh the short-term challenges against the long-term potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Arrowhead's performance in the comments below.